Do you have a chicken breast and egg in your house? Then make this wonderful recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to cut a chicken breast here, cut it into cubes, and guys, this recipe is wonderful. I'm sure you all will love it because it's delicious. Then I'll reserve that chicken. In a container I will be breaking 4 eggs. And add a spoon of salt. A spoon of black pepper. Also a spoon of oregano. And I'll mix it very well. And folks, you're already enjoying the moment and you're already commenting to me from which city you're watching us. And how is the weather in your city? Is the weather hot there? Is the weather cold there? Comment there and I'll send you a special hug. Now I'm going to add a spoon of wheat flour, a spoon of cream cheese, and also green smell to taste. And I'm going to mix all these ingredients very well. Grease a frying pan with butter. Add our chicken. For seasoning, I'll just add salt, but if you want you can add more seasoning. And today, guys, I'm going to send a special big hug to 2 people who are always commenting on my videos. A big hug to Deloise Richardson in Houston, Texas. And also for Mehmet Osman in England. Thank you so much for always commenting. I thank you immensely. And the chicken is supposed to stay like this here, very white. I will now add the omelette on top. And also put mozzarella cheese. And some tomato slices that are supposed to be very delicious and very beautiful. I will cover and let it cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. And our recipe is ready and it is super delicious. We just made a wonderful dinner, I'm sure you all will love it. So, if you liked it, share it and see you next time.